Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you solution by intersection of lines. In the last video, I showed you how to solve a system of equations graphically. And the method of solving the system of equations graphically involved plotting two lines, plotting two equations in the form of a line and finding their intersection. When I showed you that solution, I felt like the graph thing was a little bit smaller. So here I am doing it again on a bigger grid to more clearly show you how this solution works. So the equations that we had that we were trying to solve were when they were written into the y is equal to mx plus c format, they looked like y is equal to 2x minus 1, y is equal to 2x minus 1, and y is equal to minus half x plus 4. So what we have to do is we have to manipulate the equations to look like y is equal to mx plus c, and then by comparison we pick out what is m and what is c. So in the first case, m is equal to 2, that is the slope, and c is equal to minus 1. That is the y-intercept. The two words are slope and y-intercept. Slope is rise over run. So here I've made a bigger grid so you can see these counts. Right, so the slope is rise over run. Slope is equal to rise over run. So slope of 2 means 2 rise and 1 run. So I'll show what that means. So if we take the first line, y is equal to 2x minus 1. The slope is 2 and the intercept is minus 1. So let's look at this line here. It will, on the y-axis, it will have to pass through this point. That is the y-intercept of minus 1. And then it has a slope of 2. So 2 rise and 1 run. So let's see, 2 rise, 1, 2, and then 1 run here. It has to pass through this point. Again, 2 rise, 1, 2, and 1 run. Again, 2 rise, 1, 2, and 1 run. So these are the points through which this line has to pass. 2 rise, 1 run. So if I connect them, the line goes like this. All right. So that's the first line. Then the second line has a slope of minus half. So in geometry, a slope of minus half means a downward sloping line. Okay. So it's a downward slope and it has a slope of minus half. That means we can say it has a ratio of minus 1 is to 2. So rise over run. So rise is negative. That means it's actually going down. All right. And run is 2. So its y-intercept is 4. So we will start over here. And now 1 down, 2 forward. All right. So let me change the color here. So start here, 1 down and 2 forward. 1 down, 2 forward. 1 down, 2 forward. In fact, you don't have to mark it all the place. You can just take one ratio and just do it in that ratio. So let's see, we go 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so you have to go double that distance in this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we would take a ruler, if we had hand drawing this, we would take a ruler and join these 2 points. So let me try to draw that line here. Okay. So in this case, it is very clear what the intersection of these 2 points is, and that intersection of these 2 points is here, which is a very nice whole number intersection. It is falling on the 2 grid lines. And what are those grid lines? So this grid line has a horizontal measurement of 2 units in the horizontal direction and 3 units in the vertical direction. So as is the convention, we write the coordinates of this xy is equal to 2, comma 3. Those are the coordinates. And therefore, that means this is the solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So that is how a solution, a graphical solution is found when we find it by intersection of lines. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel to learn more interesting tricks and techniques of algebra and geometry.